Hi, let us understand how to create common initial parameter for all the servlets across the application. I can go ahead and create an initial parameter at the context level within the web.xml. That's going to be common across all the servlet within the specific application. Let me go ahead and make the change. Before that, let me create a new branch. Let me go ahead and make change to the web.xml. Within web.xml, I'm going to add context parameter. For understanding purpose, I'm going to add two context parameter with the name and value. So I'm adding context param tag with param name and param value. So I have two parameter name. One is default cost code and value corresponding to it. Along with that, I have another param name default discount percent and the value corresponding to it. Now I'm going to use this parameters from the servlet. So I'm going to modify the servlet that I used earlier and read those values. So I'll be getting the servlet context, the default method available as a part of the HTTP servlet class, and I'm going to use the method getInit parameter and pass the parameter key. So I have modified the get method. I'm using the get servlet context method that is available as a part of the generic servlet, and that's what's being used by the HTTP servlet. So I'll be using the default method available as a part of the HTTP servlet get servlet context. Within that, that's going to provide me the servlet context, and within servlet context I do have a method called getInit parameter and pass the key corresponding to the parameter that I wanted to read from web.xml. Now if I execute this specific servlet, I should be in a position to get the servlet context initial parameter that we have set as a part of the web.xml. Let the servlet gets deployed into the server. So I do have the value corresponding to the key default cost code and the value corresponding to the key default discount percent. So this particular context parameter will be used wherever I wanted to set the default value, which is going to be used across all the servlets. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to set the context parameter at the application level and read the context parameter from any servlet.